How to get gems in Kingshot. Now, simply launch the application first and ensure that you log into your account. And there are multiple options for you to be able to obtain gems in Kingshot. First things first, the very basic one is if you upgrade any of the productions that you have here, like maybe your town center or your house 3 or your kitchen or any of these productions right here, reach out to its maximum level, you will receive a certain amount of gems. Now the other thing that you do is to obtain and input a specific gift card code for you to be able to have it claimed. So for you to be able to do that, all you have to do is to hit on your profile icon on your governor profile, and then head to the settings, then head directly to gift code. So this is going to be the field in which you can manually input gift codes that is going to be specifically for gems. Now, the other thing that you can do as well is to purchase manually from them. At the top right portion of your game, you should be able to see the current gems that you have. And just head straight to regular pack, and these are going to be the options you can choose for you to be able to purchase and obtain gems. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to get gems in Kingshot.